After his super good performance last weekend, this is not the picture you want to see of Chance Hymas. Getting helped off, carried off by two guys this week after Moto 2, and who knows? I mean, obviously, he has a history of knee issues, knee injuries already, mostly on the left side with the ACL and the re-tear of the ACL. And this time, at least it looks like it's the right side, so it's not a re-injury of that. But you can see him right here as he's rolling off. Same thing that like Tomac did when he broke his leg. He's pointing at his leg, and you can tell he's just in pain. Now, obviously, this sucks. He had a really good weekend last weekend. The hope would have been that even if he is super far behind Deegan, that he can continue to race at a high level and make the championship competitive. I don't know what you want to say about it, but now who knows? Obviously, this is, as I'm recording this, a few hours after the race, so there's no update if we will even get one, because we know how this sport and its injury updates and its PR work, where it could be hidden super well or it could be absolutely nothing. Let's knock on wood. Let's say he just put it down in a rut somewhere and it got twisted and it's just a stinger. Next weekend he comes back and he's perfectly fine. That's the absolute best case scenario. I mean, you never want to see anybody get injured, because the better people you have, the more people you have, the better competition, the more fun it's going to be to watch, whether it's on TV or in person. The better product that the series is going to be putting out. So you never want to see people get hurt, whether you're a fan of them or not, or if you're a fan of somebody else and they're, being competitive with your guy. Hoping for injuries is the dumbest thing ever, and I never do. I never hope for anybody to get hurt. So what I'm saying, hopefully it is just a stinger, maybe a little twist, something that's not horrible, because the last thing you want to see is another ACL injury for him or some sort of tear or who knows what. And hopefully we do get some sort of update. As far as things go, maybe not, maybe so. And hopefully that, this is one of those things that they can start getting better on. But as this progresses, as we hear more, or as I find out more, whatever it is, I will keep the updates coming. Comment down below. Did you go to this weekend's race? Are you going to one of the upcoming races? Who do you think wins the 450 title, the 250 title? Although they seem to be pretty well won by this point. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.